In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email address in Honkai Star Rail vertical bar step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll have your HoYoverse account updated safely, so your game progress and purchases stay linked to the right email. Start by opening the official HoYoverse account page for Honkai Star Rail and sign in. Use your usual login method. Make sure you have access to your current email inbox because a verification code will be sent there during this process. Once you're logged in, open your profile. You'll typically find your profile avatar or name in the top corner. Click it to open your account overview. From there, go to the HoYoverse account section. This is where your core account details live. Next, choose Manage to enter the area where you can modify security and contact information. Inside the security or account settings page, look for the option to change your email and select it. You'll see a prompt to verify your current email. Click Send to have the system deliver a verification code to the address already linked to your account. Complete the CAPTCHA challenge that appears. This confirms you're a real person. When the CAPTCHA finishes, click OK to proceed. Now, check your inbox for the verification code. If it doesn't arrive right away, give it a minute, refresh your inbox, and check spam or junk folders. Back on the security page, type the verification code you received exactly as shown. Then click Next to continue. You'll now be asked to enter the new email address you want to link to your HoYoverse account. Type it carefully and make sure it's an address you can access immediately. Avoid using an email that's already associated with another HoYoverse account, as that can cause an error. Click Send to have a confirmation message delivered to your new email. Keep the account page open while you switch to the new inbox. Open the message from HoYoverse and follow the instructions inside. When you return to the account page, click Confirm to finalize the change. If the site mentions a brief delay, that's normal. Just wait for the confirmation to complete. Once confirmed, your HoYoverse account now uses the new email. For best results, sign out and sign back in on any devices or launchers where you play Honkai Star Rail and update your saved login if your system remembers it. If a code ever fails or expires, use the send button again after the short cooldown. And that's it. Your email is updated securely and you're good to go.